Peirce was one of the founders of the philosophy of pragmatism, which follows a rule, a pragmatic maxim, that sets its philosophical line in sand, so to speak. Peirce's semiosis emerges from his pragmatism, so the maxim helps ground the theory within rules on application. For non-semioticians, the maxim is just another technical detail in the way of creatives' understanding. On page 104, Coyne offers creatives a summary, which I will paraphrase for brevity. A thing's meaning is dependent upon the practical application of the use of that thing. We will dedicate a future Semiosis 101 episode to the pragmatic maxim, but for now the important notion to grasp to move on is that the thing for us is whatever we need to semiotically encode. There's a link in the YouTube description below to Professor Coyne's book.